Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Welcome to another vlog. Let me see if I can see the mirror. Let's see. Okay, that's the mirror right there. That's my leg. That's my leg. Okay, I'm wearing the sandals today, and I'm wearing this t-shirt I got from Nigeria. People, I'm starting another vlog. I came late, so the restaurant is closed for breakfast. I woke up late, as in I cannot find myself, so you can see the restaurant is closed. This is the entrance to the restaurant. It's closed, and I'm going to use the elevator and go downstairs. This is how a typical morning look like in the city of Guangzhou, China, yeah? At this point, as I was waiting for my other Niger sisters to come down, I decided to just do a dance video to film myself, to let you guys know that I still got it in me, man. I still got it. If not, you go not. Yeah, where they go? Look at the camera, don't capture your own face. The camera is there. They go, they move. Our face is captured. Just they go, they move. No, what face is there? Yeah, you don't capture our face. So I saw this status right here, and it reminded me of that woman in Sweet Game. That when you look at her, she blinks her eye, they will shoot. And I'm like, oh, maybe this is where they got the inspiration from. Anyway, this place is where you get everything fashion, clothes. They sell clothes here, jeans, top, t-shirt, gown, anything you want is sold in this particular Yulong, and it's not far from Tom Tom. Designer bags, where you will see those Louis Vuitton, all those things. Okay, now here. But they sell for Tom Tom too. They say you get one place. So I decided to compensate myself with a camera. I'm buying two. I'm buying this for myself, and I'm also buying. Where is the other one? The camera. I love this, baby, and I'm also buying this for my boo of boos. Yeah, I'm buying this too. So guys, I got myself an Osmo bucket. She's trying to connect it for me. She wants to put my memory card. So if you do it, let me be seen.
Yes.
You put mine for me. You put
I will put you.
Yours, my memory card. Let me see.
How much?
1,400.
I got an Osmo pocket. Osmo. I don't pay.
Hello?
Hi guys, I got myself an Osmo pocket. See, she's connecting it to me. No, on the camera. I want to start using it now. I don't need to wait for her so later. Hello? I want to start using my camera now. I got myself an Osmo pocket. You know what is Osmo pocket? That is Osmo pocket, baby. That is Osmo pocket, baby. Say hello.
This is for video.
Say hello. Okay, what do video? You must put this here. No, because of the noise. Talk cool. Hello, Sean.
That's too much.
Hi guys, so I'm where I'm getting my Osmo pocket. Like duh, I'm getting my Osmo pocket. I'm getting a camera so that anywhere I am, I can be seeing my kids. And these guys have been amazing to me. They've been so amazing. You guys know already now. It's your girl P to the A to the T to the T. So I'm still in China, baby. I'm still in China.
My friend, me do I know do. You pay me. Good for me.
Your friend do you know too? The Nigeria in her came out. So guys, we are at the
video. Yes, tomorrow you send it to me. Okay. Which campus is this one? Fine girl, no pimples. I don't get 800. 550. Sorry. You go check.
my tiredness is tired.
My money. Alright, this is my money.
A few moments later.
Okay, people, after that, we went to get some household things. You know, as a woman, to not be complete, you don't go to a classic kitchen and get some things for yourself. Yes, and we also got some lights, chandeliers lights, room decor, and also things for the toilet. These lights here are just sample. Then when you want, they will go inside and bring you the ones you want. Yeah, and they have a lot of lovely things in this country. That is one thing I noticed. Their things are unique, and even if you want them to create your own special thing for you, they will do it. It's a specialty. It's what they specialize on. Like, God, beauty. This is another different shop. We couldn't get all what we needed there, so we have to come to this place. Like, God, they. So people, this is just a place for content creators gadget, not just content creators, videographers. Look at their lights, different type of lights. Don't play, invest in your future. Don't play. See things I'm yet to buy you as one of the baddest lenses.
Much later.
All work and no play make you a dull girl. So we decided to come and eat. This is a buffet for 7 RMB. It's like about, is it 5k? But you eat everything here. Then you can come back and demand. It's just that you don't take out. Peace out.